Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to delete Google My Business account. So let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to create your business profile. The account in your Chrome profile and your business account must match. Next, go to the search bar and type My Business. Scroll down and you'll see your Google business profile appear. Since I only have just one account is showing here. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Business Profile Settings. Inside this menu, click on Remove Business Profile. Next, select Remove Profile Content and Managers. Keep in mind, once you do this, all of your business content and managers will be permanently deleted. Finally, click Continue, then click Remove. And that's how you delete Google My Business account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching.